morning, everyone. It's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everybody. Hope you're having a great Labor Day weekend and staying safe. So it's Request Monday. Got a couple of requests to throw out today. First one is from our friend in Concord, California, Tom Henneberry, and he requested this song. It's Four Strong Winds by Ian and Sylvia. Ian Tyson wrote this song, and they're Canadian artists, Ian and Sylvia. They were married for a period of time, and I think they divorced and he remarried. And they're both still around, as far as I know. And this song came out in 1963, the first time, and it's been covered by an incredible amount of artists. So it goes to show the quality of the song. It's been done by the Seekers, Judy Collins, Bob Dylan, Marianne Faithfull, The Searchers, John Denver, Trini Lopez, Waylon Jennings, Joan Baez, Harry Belafonte, Johnny Cash. So that's just a few. And notably by Neil Young in 1978 on his Comes a Time album. Neil's from Canada as well, so I'm sure it was a little tribute to Ian Tyson. And this one's going out to Tom. And I'd also like to send it out, even though she didn't request it, to our friend Dee Dee, who lives in Canada and has a special place in her heart for Canadian artists. And this song is kind of like almost like a Canadian national anthem. They sing it at a lot of different functions in Canada. They have a big folk festival up there in Edmonton, and they sing it at the end of that. Everybody big sing-along. So here you go, Tom and Dee Dee, Four Strong Winds. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I think I'll go out to Alberta. The weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, if things are going good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, and there ain't too much for you to do. And those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. That's Four Strong Winds by Ian and Sylvia.
That's a beautiful song.
It is a beautiful song, for sure. That's why so many people have sung it, because it is so pretty. And this next tune is going out to our sweet, sweet daughter, Molly. She requested it. And,
Wait, let me guess. It's... Don't tell me.
oh, okay.
It's a country song.
You would be wrong.
Oh!
Imagine that. Molly's going to be upset with you, boy. Putting her in a pigeonhole like that. Country, huh? The song is from 1980. It's by Pete Townsend, who was in The Who. And this is off of his very first solo album without The Who, called Empty Glass. And the name of the song is Let My Love Open the Door. And it's been done by a few people, I think, but it's also been in, I think it's been in a couple of movies. I remember seeing it in a, maybe in Say Anything. I think it might have been used in that.
It's in that movie with Dean, what's his name? Steve Carroll and Dean Cain, is that his name?
I don't know.
The big, tall, goofy guy?
I don't know. Steve Carell?
Is
that
it,
who
am I-
it is?
is it? is
That's
that
who
not
it's
his
in?
name?
I don't know. It'll come to you
Yeah.
sooner or later. So Molly, here you go, honey. We love you. Take care of yourself. When people keep repeating that you'll never fall in love, when everybody keeps retreating and you can't seem to get enough, let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door to your heart. When everything feels all over and everybody seems unkind, I'll give you a four-leaf clover. Take all worry out of your mind. Yeah, let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door to your heart. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. I'm the only key to your heart, and I can stop you falling apart. I tried today, you'll find a way. Come on and give me a chance to say, let my love open the door. Yeah, it's all I'm living for. Release yourself from misery. There's only one thing gonna set you free. My love, it's my love. Yeah, let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. My love open the door. Ooh, let my love open the door. When tragedy befalls you, don't let it drag you down. Love can cure your problems. You're so lucky I'm around. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door to your heart. Yeah, to your heart. To your heart. To your heart. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door. Let my love open the door to your heart. That's Pete Townsend and Let My Love Open the Door. You guys have a great Labor Day. Have a great end of your weekend. And we for sure love all of you, and we want you to stay safe. So wear your mask and be kind to each other and keep on the sunny side.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.